Hi class, it's Mr. G. So we're continuing with 1.7 functions. Okay, we are determining whether they're functions or they're relations. Okay, they are equations, but we're just determining whether they're a function or if they're a relation. Remember, in a function is one to one input, one output. Okay, a relation may have two outputs. They're the same. Okay, so let's go on to, we're on 1.7, example number 5 on the back. All right, so let's go ahead and read the question on here. So the question asks, determine whether each equation is a function. So they're giving us a table, they're giving us an equation, and they're giving us a table to help us find out the values, the points, and then we're going to graph it. And then we're going to use our vertical line test to see if they are functions or if they're a relation. Okay? So first thing I want you to do is understand what it's asking. Determine whether each equation is a function. All right? So let's go ahead and do A. I'm going to do A and C, and you're going to do B and D. Okay? Let's go ahead and do A. So for A, we're going to mark our X and our Y. Okay? So in this case, let's go ahead and pick two negative values, and let's go ahead and pick two positive values. So I'm going to pick -2, and I'm going to pick -1, and I'm going to pick 0, and I'm going to pick 1. Okay? So, negative. Now, if you like mental math, you'll be able to do this. If you don't like mental math, then you're going to thrive and you're going to do it the way that I'm used to doing it, which is showing you work. Okay, some stuff you'll show your work, some stuff you won't. So here we go. So for X, let's do the first one. X is -2. So I'm going to do the work right here. So -2 times X, which is -2, and then plus Y equals 3. Okay, so in this case, -2 times -2 is a positive. So it says 4 plus Y equals 3. Okay, this is a one-step equation that you learned last year. Okay, so you subtract 4, Y equals 3 minus 4 is -1. So when X is -2, Y is -1. So -2, -1. X is -1. So let's do it this way here. So -2 times -1, plus Y equals 3. We're substituting, okay? And then it's 2 plus Y equals 3. So subtract 2, Y equals 1. So when X is -1, Y is 1. And then 0 is easy. Let's just plug it in here. So -2 times 0 is 0. And you're left with Y equals 3. And then the last one, we can also do it mentally, but let's go ahead and put the answer here. So it's -2 times 1 plus Y equals 3. So this is -2 plus Y equals 3. So you add 2, Y equals 5. So in this case, when X equals 1, Y equals 5. Okay? So let's go ahead and plot them. So -2, -1, -1, 1, 0, 3, and then 1, 5. So it looks like they keep going. So it looks like it's continuous, okay? And with a vertical line test, it crosses only once. So this is a function, okay? So now let's go ahead and go on to D. I'm gonna go ahead and do D on the next video.